Concerns tonight about reopening too quickly. Governor Greg Abbott is allowing restaurants, movie theaters, malls, and retail stores to open Friday at limited capacity. The city of San Antonio and Bexar County are revising their stay-at-home orders to fit with the governor's plan. Plus, the city and county's health transition team released their own report today on how to slowly reopen. They noted reopening businesses in other sectors of the economy may increase the risk of coronavirus in our community.
What we don't know is if you take your foot off the gas, what happens?
So what do you say to those?
Expert says models predict there will be a second surge in cases if we relax measures very quickly. Let's go live to Eyewitness News reporter Henry Ramos. Henry, one thing the city has no plans to change is the ban on big public gatherings.
Deborah, the mayor says what is absent in Governor Abbott's plan, social gatherings. So when it comes to large gatherings in San Antonio, what comes to mind? The biggest party of the year, Fiesta. Is it going to happen in November? Well, one thing is certain. We don't want to repeat what happened in New Orleans. A nightmare on Bourbon Street. Health experts say Mardi Gras fueled the spread of coronavirus in New Orleans. Large gatherings off the table during this pandemic. Mayor Ron Nirenberg, for now, wants to keep it that way.
I'm glad you brought that up, Henry.
The mayor says forbidding large groups in San Antonio was one of the first measures leaders put in place to slow the spread.
That has really helped us. We see in areas where that wasn't done soon enough, like in New Orleans where there was Mardi Gras and the consequences of those types of events happening. We don't want to put ourselves in that position.
For now, San Antonio's biggest party that attracts more than 2 million people is still on after being postponed until November. Or is it?
I think that's very dependent on how we handle the next several weeks, honestly. What happens 3 weeks from now is dependent on what we do today.
The countdown is on for Fiesta. Fiesta metal company Grand Calavera Fiesta Metals just launched this year. During these uncertain times, the small business hopes Fiesta won't be canceled.
Well, I would think that would be horrible if that happens. This is one, Fiesta is always such an amazing opportunity to raise money for nonprofits and people in need. It will definitely impact our economy and all of the people who rely on Fiesta here.
For now, the party is scheduled, and as we get closer, we'll get a clearer picture.
Henry, what is the Fiesta Commission saying about the possibility of being postponed again until next year?
Deborah, the executive director telling me tonight she agrees with the mayor, saying the coronavirus has thrown so much of the future into question. She says it is too early to tell if Fiesta will be affected yet again. But worth repeating here, as the mayor has said all along, we have to do our part in this fight. We're live tonight outside Fiesta Commission. Henry Ramos, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.
Henry, thank you.